Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you how to fix Windows 10 sound problem. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. First method, update audio driver. Right click on the start menu, then go to device manager. Find sound, video and game controllers. Double click on this option, then right click on the high definition audio device option. Go to properties. In here, click on the driver tab. Click on the update driver option. Click on the second option, browse my computer for driver. Click on this option, let me pick from a list of device driver on my computer. In here, choose high definition audio device. Then click on the next button. Yes. Wait few seconds for installing audio driver. Installing process has been completed. Now go to check if this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, then you can try second method. Second method, disable enhancement. Right click on the sound icon, then go to playback device option. Select speakers, then go to properties. Click on the enhancement tab. Check this option, disable all enhancement. Then click on the apply button and OK button. Now go to check if this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, you can try next method. Third method, sound format. Right click on the audio icon. Click on the playback device option. Select speakers. Then go to properties option. Click on the advanced tab. Click on the arrow option. Choose last option. And click on the test option. In here you can see sound up down. If your sound not up down, you can try another option. Finally click on the apply button and OK button. Now go to check if this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, you can try next method. Fourth method, troubleshoot audio device. Again right click on the sound icon, then click on the troubleshoot audio problems. You can see it is detecting our problem. Wait few seconds for detecting problem. You can see my audio device is already working. Now go to check if this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, you can try next method. Final method, uninstall audio driver. Right click on the start menu, then go to device manager. Find sound, video and game controllers. Double click on this option, then right click on the high definition audio device option and click on the uninstall option. OK button. Now restart your PC. When reboot your computer, going to automatic install audio driver. I hope solved your Windows 10 sound problem. These are some of the ways for fixing Windows 10 audio problem. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to fix Windows 10 audio problem.